The 2024 Mercedes E-Class Estate emerges as a stylish alternative to the burgeoning SUV market, catering to those who prefer a luxurious wagon. Recognizing that not all customers seek SUVs, Mercedes-Benz has made the E-Class Estate more spacious and feature-rich than its predecessor. This introduction is particularly noteworthy in light of rumors that suggest Mercedes might phase out wagons after 2030. The E-Class Estate is a testament to the brand's commitment to diversity in its vehicle lineup. Dimensionally, the 2024 E-Class Estate has grown modestly in all directions. The wheelbase and width have been increased to offer more legroom and elbow space, making the interior more comfortable. The optional third row has been eliminated to focus on maximizing cargo space. The car boasts 615 liters of cargo space with rear seats in place, and this extends to 1,830 liters when the seats are folded. The plug-in hybrid variant has slightly reduced cargo space due to additional components. Aesthetically, the E-Class Estate is a blend of elegance and modernity. With a sleek body designed for better aerodynamics and options for large wheels, it's bound to turn heads. The interiors are plush, and the technology in the cabin is cutting edge. The car features 3 screens, a selfie camera, and integration with popular apps such as TikTok and Angry Birds. Furthermore, it supports Zoom conferencing via an interior video camera, appealing to the modern connected generation. The suspension system in the E-Class Estate deserves a special mention. The car comes standard with rear air suspension, and for those seeking a more refined ride, an optional 2-axle airmatic suspension is available. This ensures that the E-Class Estate offers not just luxury, but also exceptional comfort and a smooth ride regardless of road conditions. In terms of power, the E-Class Estate offers several options including gasoline, diesel, and plug-in hybrid variants. The initial models in Europe will be the E200 and E220D, followed by the E300e plug-in hybrid. The E200 features a turbocharged 2-liter engine with a mild hybrid system, while the E220D offers a diesel engine. The E300e plug-in hybrid combines a turbo 2-liter gas engine with an electric motor, providing an impressive electric range thanks to its 25.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack. In summary, the 2024 Mercedes E-Class Estate is a perfect marriage of luxury, practicality, and modern technology. Its spacious interiors, ample cargo space, elegant design, cutting-edge features, and diverse engine options make it a compelling alternative to SUVs. Set to go on sale in Europe in fall 2024, it reaffirms Mercedes-Benz's dedication to catering to the varied tastes and preferences of its clientele. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.